How is NATO responding to the U.S. decision to pull? In 2020, the U.S. announced plans to cut its military presence in Germany by about 12,000 troops. This move surprised many, as Germany has been a strategic hub for U.S. forces in Europe since World War II. The withdrawal aims to reposition troops closer to potential hotspots in Eastern Europe and the Middle East, but it also raised concerns about NATO's overall strength and unity in the region. NATO responded carefully, emphasizing that the alliance remains strong and united. NATO Secretary-General Jens Stoltenberg stressed the importance of dialogue with the U.S. and Germany to manage the troop changes smoothly. He reassured member states that NATO's collective defense remains a top priority, and the alliance will adapt its strategies to maintain security across Europe. Germany expressed concerns about possible security gaps created by the troop reduction. The U.S. military presence has been seen as a deterrent against potential threats from Russia and as a symbol of transatlantic partnership. German officials called for closer coordination within NATO to ensure that this withdrawal does not weaken Europe's defense capabilities or political cohesion. In response to troop shifts, NATO is accelerating plans to enhance its rapid reaction forces. More troops and equipment are being deployed to Eastern European countries like Poland and the Baltic states to reassure allies and deter aggression. This strategic pivot aims to compensate for the U.S. troop reductions in Germany without compromising NATO's collective security mission. The U.S. troop withdrawal from Germany is more than a military repositioning. It challenges NATO to prove its unity and adaptability. The alliance must balance shifting defense priorities, maintain strong partnerships, and confront emerging threats. How NATO manages this transition will shape the future of European security and transatlantic relations for years to come. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.